If you can see over here, government, students, teachers, schools, ensuring safe and supportive learning environment. How can government help? Government can provide non-discriminatory textbooks. Have you come across any book, any paragraph where you felt that this is discriminatory gender-wise? I'm asking you. Did you come across any such books or any story where you felt, array, this story is gender bias or there is discrimination on the basis of? Did you come across any of these books or any stories till now? Anybody? Yes or no?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am. I
No,
don't know which
ma'am.
country I had recently read about that one of a girl, very young girl, she had taken up this issue that there was a question in mathematics where I think the height or something was given that the girls was this much and boys was this much, and it was taken it as a gender discrimination. So that little child went to the court saying that I will not solve this mathematical question because it is not India, of course. I don't remember which country. She said she was a small girl, I think 9 years or something, and she said, I will not do this question because this is a question which shows discrimination. So sometimes in books also, we come across such stories or such chapters where you feel that this is wrong. How can we show
Ma'am,
these
but in
actions?
maths question, that is written assume that
We are
height of
talking
girls is
about
this much.
maybe it was some graphical question or what it was basically given IQ level, something was mentioned where it was shown that girls was less compared to the number compared to the boys. So that was felt as a discriminatory factor by the child, small child. Even if you go to old Hindi stories at time, it is generally shown that okay, there is a boy, he's sent out to play. If there is a girl, she's been brought up into household work. So these kind of things are discriminatory. So what can the government do? Government can ensure that the textbooks are all non-discriminatory. We should have regulation and policies. Rules should be made. Gender sensitive teacher programs also. Even teachers should be sensitive towards this. And of course, we should have sanitation facilities, proper sanitation facilities for both the genders. This is who can provide this? All these things who's going to provide?
Government.
Government. Let's move
Government.
on to teachers. Teachers, we have professional norms. What do you mean by professional norms for teachers?
Regulations, rules, and
Ma'am,
regulations.
degrees.
Uh, no,
Ma'am,
professional
well
norms.
educated. Ma'am, degrees.
There
They are
should be certain
certificates.
regulations. There should be
Certified.
certain rules and regulations to show that yes, so and so can become a teacher. Everybody cannot become.
Yes, ma'am. Certified by this or
Yes.
degree.
It should be certified by a certain degree. They should have good behavior towards students. And then I'll show you this one, that is schools. Please see this picture, schools. What can school help in supportive environments?
A school can maintain a proper regulation, rules, discipline. It can provide education for all.
Yes, yes, very good. Others also see.
And moreover, it can teach students how to behave in a proper way.
So school can give comprehensive sexuality education, training the teachers, respect regulations, whole school approach. So this is how safe and supportive learning environment can be provided. I'll be opening the discussion for you all after this. Just few things which have come up to us. See,
What,
this is a simple quote. It's a beautiful one. Until we get equality in education, we won't have an equal society. Do you agree with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is one thing that the government has a mission now. We are going to support it. This is one thing I would like you to see. Achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls. Okay, how are we going to do this? This is what we need to see. 18% or ever partnered women and girls aged 15 to 49 years have experienced physical and or sexual partner violence. 18% out of 15 to 49 years. So this is the main age category. If you see the percentage is a big number. If we talk about Southern Asia, this data gives you what? In Southern Asia, a girl's risk of marrying in childhood has decreased by 40% since 2000. So things have improved. They have started improving after which year? 2000. Now the chances of getting married at a very young age, that is childhood, have reduced to how much percent? It has gone down to 40%. But still, 30% of the women aged 20 to 24 years were married before the age of 18 years. And this is according to a 2018 survey. Normal rule says how many years?
24.
18 number.
20.
Yes. For girls, it is 18. But it is 30% of women were married here. Now we are talking about the women whose survey was done. Now they're 20 to 24. So survey was done and it was found that 30% of the women were married before they were the age of 18 years. So are we anyway following the norms? We are not following any norms.
No, ma'am.
Is it okay? This is just on papers. This we have seen. The last thing I have to show you, then we'll open. This is my favorite. None of us are equal until all of us are equal. There is no point of talking about equality until
Yes, ma'am.
actually we are equal. We talk about freedom, we talk about our fundamental rights, everybody is equal, everybody is equal. But the fact is, none of us are equal until what?
All of us are equal.
All of us are equal. Recently, we have come across many cases in UP especially, where we have seen a lot of assault cases. Can be discussed now. This discussion is open for all. Can I have the major causes of increase in such kind of cases in the present society? It's an open discussion, a recorded session. Please come up with your views. Maybe your
mindset of
views, beta,
people.
why I'm saying girls especially, and boys also, of course, maybe your views help the government to frame some policies which will be useful for all of us. So don't take it as a time pass. You never know, it may change the lives of many girls in the next generations. Speak up, beta.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Anybody, it's an open discussion. Start. Of course, not
We talk,
Republic, but
ma'am, if we talk about, ma'am, that marriage, ma'am, then it must be, ma'am, that according to, ma'am, Hindu religion, ma'am, it is vivah, ma'am. But if it comes to registrar office, ma'am, the marriage should be considered only if and only then good if it is registered by registrar office, ma'am.
so what he says is that first of all, he feels that every marriage should be registered in the registrar office. Because
Yes, ma'am.
obviously marriages will not be
Yes, ma'am.
registered if the girl is underage. This is a good suggestion. If you will go and find out about figures, hardly
Ma'am,
15% marriages in India are registered. They are not registered only. Nobody
then
goes to the registrar office. Yes, continue.
the cases will be reduced, ma'am. It is, ma'am, still 30%, ma'am. If the cases are registered, ma'am, then we will be known that how much the cases are still.
Got it, got it. Wonderful suggestion. He is saying that it should be made compulsory that all marriages should be registered. So if all marriages would be registered in the registrar office, then no underage girl would be forced to get married. This is a nice suggestion. Very good. Too good.
Ma'am,
Yes,
we
please
were talking
continue.
about that equality point. Until and unless we are not equal, when that point, ma'am, we can first we have to learn respect everybody. Then after that will come equality only. Yeah.
Too good. He has a very nice suggestion. Until we learn to respect everyone, we will, especially at homes, I have seen.
Yes.
I don't mean to hurt somebody, but I've seen at homes, if mama says something, you people mostly take it very lightly. Arey nahi mama, this is not done. If she say don't go out to play today, or it's night time, don't go out, you don't give much importance. But if the same thing is said very firmly by a father, you have to listen most of the times. Am I right? Am I wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this is for क्या कहते हैं, boys and girls. We said क्या कहते हैं, girls should not go. first
No,
we
we
have
are
to
not
stop
talking.
boys
No,
to
no,
go
no.
out,
We
na?
are not talking about that. We are not talking about that part. What I'm talking about is how much respect, equal respect, towards mother and father. Is it the same in all the families? I'm talking about here. That will go to later, whether girls are allowed to go out or not. Honestly, I mean, honestly, you tell me, if you have to go out somewhere, Papa is not at home, Mama says no, don't go. Anyhow, you will convince your mother. Whether you do it emotionally or you simply say, nahi, main to jaunga, main to jaungi, and then you pick up your scooty and you go away. But if the same thing is said by your father in a very strict and firm manner, you will not go, then will you go?
Excuse, ma'am, but it also depends on who is more strict.
Okay, it also depends on who is more strict. Very good.
It
We
is
can take in individual cases also.
not
But I'm
always.
asking in general. I'm asking in general to the boys. Boys, tell me, am I speaking the truth or
Ma'am, at my
is it?
Yes,
home,
ma'am.
I listen to my mother and father.
Oh,
What
you
they
are a
say.
good boy. You are a good boy. That means you listen to both mother and father. That's
Yes.
nice.
M-
Yes,
Ma'am,
Beta.
for boys, father is strict, and for girls, ma'am, mother is strict. The opinion matters.
Ma'am,
Okay.
here
So
both are,
opinion.
ma'am,
It's not
strict
always
only.
the same. Sometimes the
All-
cases that parents have to persuade children to
Mom,
go
I think
out.
in this case we can't generalize the things because the case is different in every
See, this
household.
is one point which has come to us that children do not respect their mothers now. I don't know what is the survey basis. This is one point which has been told to us to be discussed, that we need to give equal importance to mother's opinion. See, beta, in those families where we have literate parents, where the mother is also educated, certainly those children, they take her seriously. But when it comes to families where mother is not literate, it has been observed that the children do not respect their mothers only. So if they're not respecting their mothers, things become more worse. They forget to respect women. And as we say, charity begins at home. If you're not respecting your mother, you will never be able to respect any woman outside in the world. So the first thing we all need to realize is we should respect our mothers. Okay. What are the other factors which you think have come up these days? So many cases coming up. And even for minors, you must have seen sexual assault for minors as well. 6 years, 7-year-old. Why is the society going on such a track? Tell me. Discussion is for you people, beta.
Ma'am, like there are many cases in which the criminal is a juvenile.
Yes.
In that
Criminals
case,
are
the juvenile should not be given any kind of mercy because the evil mind is always evil. It doesn't matter on the age. So if that person is just left and given bail, then God knows what evil would develop with the age.
beta, do you agree with her opinion? That
Yes,
juveniles
ma'am.
should be put
Yes,
as adult?
ma'am. Totally.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. One of the cases report, ma'am, that a boy was below 18 years, so he was left free. That he is not
Exactly. They
above
are sent to
18.
juvenile homes, and very soon after a bit of counseling and all, they are released. But in the major cases reported in the last few years, we have come across such cases where most of them involve juveniles only. If you remember the Nirbhaya case also,
Yes.
Nirbhaya, there also there was an
Yes,
issue
ma'am.
regarding
Yes,
minor
ma'am.
and yes. So with such kind of cases, how can we treat them as juveniles? Such
Ma'am, one more.
brutality, we cannot come. This is a very good suggestion that when it comes to such kind of cases, we should treat them as adults. Okay, very good. Yes,
And
beta, continue.
ma'am,
Two
one
wonderful
more.
suggestions we have. Yes,
Ma'am, one
yes,
more thing,
Vijay?
like in other countries, if there is sexual assault, then the death sentence is given. So if the
Yes,
punishment
ma'am.
would
Without
be
any
more,
trial.
ma'am, if the punishment would be more brutal, then people will think twice of doing such things.
Beta, in which country that they
Ma'am,
get that capital punishment?
Ma'am, we can take the example of Dubai.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
Arab.
Arab
Arab countries.
countries.
I mean, 15
Yes,
minutes,
yes, ma'am.
the person was dead sentence.
Because they follow the Shariat law. So, of course,
Yes.
maybe it is happening in those
And ma'am, full
countries.
ma'am, after that, ma'am, incident, full country was at curfew.
Yes, they follow the Shariat law, so maybe it is possible there. And okay, one more suggestion which has come from Rhythm is that we should immediately give capital punishment. But just tell me one thing, Rhythm, we had death penalty for Nirbhaya convicts, right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Though it took us many years for this sentence to come, but
And
actually
this,
it happened now. But did the cases stop after that?
ma'am, but
Even
this
after
is
giving
the
death sentence?
ma'am, this death was given just of one case. If the death or some other brutal punishment
Ma'am,
will be given to such another cases, then these cases will be stopped. Ma'am, the case was given death punishment because it was considered as a very big or national case. So it was given death punishment. If death punishment should be given, when death punishment should be given for all the cases, then it would be stopped, not just for single case.
That was no doubt rarest of the rare category.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
case that we had, it was considered a death penalty. How many of you read about such case in South India somewhere where the criminals were encountered and killed within 24 hours in a police encounter? Police shot them. Did you read this incident?
ma'am, that Priyanka Reddy case.
Yes, that Priyanka Reddy case. Very good.
Yes,
So that
ma'am.
Priyanka Reddy case, the police encounter was done and they were killed
Ma'am,
within
but they were
24 hours.
faking, ma'am.
Who were faking?
Ma'am, news channels also.
What? You mean they
Some
were
news
not
channel.
killed?
Ma'am, innocents were killed, ma'am, not real one killed. That's
How do you know innocents were killed?
ma'am, some news
There was
channels
some
was
conspiracy theories
yes,
regarding
ma'am.
this incident.
This is what I wanted to.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
wanted actually this point
That
to
is the
come.
biggest problem in our country when there is a media pressure. Then only
Yes,
our
ma'am.
system acts. If we
Yes.
Yes,
started
ma'am.
acting without media pressure, if we
Without
started
media,
handling every case as an equal case, ma'am,
ma'am,
these
so
incidents would
nothing will
stop.
be there.
Exactly. And whenever there is media intervening, things become sensitive, sensitized, too much sensational, rather the right
Like,
word
ma'am,
would
what
be.
happened in Hathras case? After the
Exactly.
when media intervened in that case, the case was completely changed.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
And every day it
Ma'am,
is changing surprisingly.
yes,
If you
ma'am.
see such a sensitive case, every day a new version is coming, whether it is SIT report
Some channel is
or
saying something, some channel is bringing Naxals,
Ma'am,
that
there should
someone
be
was Naxalite. Some
immediate
channels are
action
saying
on
that
these
it
cases.
was for communal violence.
beta, but
And
when it comes to immediate action, let's talk about Hathras case. It has got so
Ma'am,
many
but
angles attached.
yes,
Mhm.
ma'am.
but
Ma'am, when
Some
it
ma'am,
people
comes to
say they
immediate
are
action, we
innocent.
can't act immediately in each and
Yes,
every cases because first of all, it is needed to prove that the person is guilty or not.
exactly.
Ma'am, because there
See,
have
we are
been
not
some
trying to
cases.
disrespect anybody. We are not trying to
Yes, ma'am.
disrespect anybody, but on the spot, if we take an action, maybe some innocent people are also killed. There was a survey about dowry deaths in India, dowry cases rather, the girls reporting harassment due to dowry. And a recent survey said that 60% allegations were fake.
just for money,
60% allegations were fake. If the
for
girl is
money.
not able to adjust in a family, she has a simple
Yes, ma'am.
allegation dowry. Okay.
And ma'am,
So
it
there
was
are
the case that
Hmm?
no, it was a non-bailable offense, so
Yes.
person could be arrested directly. So recently, I think last year, this law was
Yes. And you,
that
what was the
person would be
cause? Obviously,
arrested.
you can understand why
Yes,
this
ma'am. The
amendment
cause
must be
was the
done.
fake cases.
Yes. There was so much of misuse. Then there is another one that if a girl commits a suicide within a specific period of her marriage, how many years it is?
I
Ma'am,
think
Then the
4 years,
boy and his
4 or 5.
family is held responsible for it
Yes,
within
ma'am.
7 years.
Ma'am,
Within 7 years.
yes, 5 to
Okay.
7 years.
Within 7 years of marriage, if a girl commits suicide, even if she's doing it for her personal reasons XYZ, then the interrogation is to be done and inquiry has to be done for the husband and his family members. If there is such a case of marriage after 7 years, within 7 years, if a girl commits suicide, so the allegation has to be there. The government needs to check, the police needs to check that was it the in-laws who forced her to do this. So somewhere, if you see, we are trying to help women. Some people are misusing it as well, especially the women themselves. What is the solution? Because of this, the genuine people are suffering. When they go to the police does not take them seriously.
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
the
They do
government,
not believe also.
they do not, they have a perception. See, they have two very clear perceptions. If we are going for a dowry, they feel it is a fake allegation. If a girl goes against, if she has an allegation of sexual assault, then the police feel she must be a friend of that individual. Okay, so this is the general perception which has come up. How do we fight these things? Agreed, even if the person is a friend, but can this be justified? Now let's talk about Hathras case only. Now they're saying that girl was talking to that boy. She had 140 conversations, that boy. I don't know that phone recordings or call details have come up, where now it is being proved that she was a friend. Even if she was a friend, children, is it justified? Can we just ignore this fact?
No, ma'am.
Can we just
No,
ignore this
ma'am.
fact?
No, ma'am.
How can, I don't know how is this being justified? That this allegation is wrong because she was a friend? What logic is this? Do you agree that if a person is a friend, then the person has the right?
No,
Is
ma'am.
it?
No,
This is
ma'am.
not justified. One side in India, we motivate, we promote co-ed education. And on the other side, we are hushing away the allegation of a girl and her family,
Yes, ma'am.
saying this, that she was already talking to the boy on the phone. She spoke to him 140 times in the last 4 months. So does this justify that what the boys did was correct?
No, ma'am.
So how is this
Not
going
at
to
all, ma'am.
change?
Not at all.
You girls especially, I'm asking you, is it justified? One side we are being modern, we need to study, we need to work, we need to get into a job. Obviously we need to be friendly with the opposite gender. We cannot run alone. Everywhere, better, where you're going to study, where you're going to work, in an office, in any institution, you'll have the males with you. You cannot isolate yourself. You need to be friendly. So this logic that because she was talking to that boy 140 times in the last 3 months, so this allegation is wrong, that it was an assault. How, where is that boundary? How do we differentiate? What should be done? You people need to tell us what should be done. The government is very serious about it, the UP government. Recently, they
Ma'am,
came up with a suggestion that they will be putting posters at public places of boys or men who would be found involved in eve teasing. Did you read about this news?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
So they're planning to publicly shame those people. What they're planning to do, bus stops, railway station, market, chaurahas, they're going to put posters of those people where there will be an allegation of eve teasing. Are you justified? I mean, do you support this? Please give your opinion. Boys, this is for you to speak out now. Is it justified?
Ma'am, one of the cases report, ma'am, that a girl said, ma'am, a boy sexually assaulted him, but the boy committed suicide. Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. One case was there, but that girl was telling lie in that case.
So the girl spoke a lie and the boy was so harassed that he committed suicide.
Yes,
That is
ma'am.
what you're
He.
trying
Yes,
to
ma'am.
say?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
It happens, no doubt. I have also read many times it happens. That is a false allegation. Even in dowry cases, I have seen, if it is a false allegation, many of them commit suicide. I'm talking about this poster case. Boys, please tell me, do you support this initiative?
Ma'am, if
Ma'am,
the boy is wrong, ma'am, then it is 100% correct.
मैम आई डोंट थिंक सो वी शुड डू दिस मैम, क्योंकि जिस चौराहे पे या जिस बस स्टेशन पे पोस्टर लगाए जाए उससे अच्छा उसी चौराहे पे मैम कोई ना कोई रोज खड़ा हो और वो समझाने के लिए खड़ा हो कि ऐसा ना करें मैम। किसी को डराने से अच्छा उसे समझाया जाए। मैम इंडिया के लोग वैसे भी ईगर होते हैं सुनने के लिए। कोई भी अगर एक चौराहे पे आके खड़ा हो जाता है तो भीड़ वहां पे वैसे ही लग जाती है। तो अगर इससे अच्छा हम समझाने वाला काम करें तो वो ज्यादा बेहतर रहेगा।
Others,
Yes,
do you
ma'am.
agree with what he says?
Yes, ma'am.
Agree.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes,
This is
ma'am.
the one. Yes, ma'am.
तो बेटा ये सबको समझाने के लिए एक अलग से फोर्स बनानी पड़ेगी हर चौराहे पे खड़ा करने के लिए. एज इट इज यू नो वी आर रनिंग शॉर्ट ऑफ सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस. पुलिस,
मैम वो
इफ
तो
यू
मैम
कंपेयर
गवर्नमेंट
रेशियो,
वही तो
इफ यू
मैम
कंपेयर
गवर्नमेंट डिसीजन
रेशियो क्या है?
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा रेशियो अगर आप यूपी में कंपेयर करते हो तो 4000 पीपल पे एक कांस्टेबल है. दिस इज द रेशियो ऑफ द पुलिस फोर्स व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट यूपी.
Ma'am, government could
If you
tie up with
divide the
some
number of,
NGOs.
वो तो मैम गवर्नमेंट का काम है ना, वो सोचेगी।
Ma'am, government could tie up with
Ma'am,
some
government can
NGOs.
tie up with NGOs only. Yes,
Acha.
ma'am.
And
There are many NGOs.
what is the role of family then? If everything the government is going to teach, is the family going to play any role in this? You think एक बच्चा 20 साल तक एक घर में पल रहा है and उसको ये चीज बिल्कुल नहीं सिखाई गई है that you need to respect girls and women. All of a sudden 21 साल का जब वो चौराहे पे जाके if he's trying to do this and एक NGO का person उसे समझाएगा, you think वो समझ जाएगा? If he has been brought up in an environment for 20 years where he was never taught to respect girls or women. Girls, I'm asking you now. Will he listen to the NGO people?
No, ma'am.
Especially when NGOs do not have any power to arrest them. सिर्फ समझा सकते हैं. So समझाने वाली बात समझ में आएगी उन्हें?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Will never work.
In India, will it work?
Ma'am,
समझाना.
but then
No,
it all
ma'am.
comes to
Ma'am, that is only the
I
point, na.
personally don't
First, we
think.
have to learn to respect women only.
Ma'am, but
Then
But
we
that
can tell
respect,
other role.
yes,
Ma'am, but
that respect
then
has to come from home. If you see last week, there was a video which was viral. There was a traffic constable trying to stop a boy who was driving a car. How many of you saw that video in Delhi? नहीं देखा?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
I've
that
seen
one
it.
in which he didn't
Yes.
stop the car.
Because he did not have a driving license.
Yes,
He was
ma'am.
a young boy. So what did he do? What did he do when the constable tried to stop him? Traffic constable? Tell me, what did he do?
He kept on driving.
He kept
Yes.
on driving.
Yes, he kept on dragging the constable for a
Yes,
few
ma'am.
Ma'am, the
meters.
constable was
And then,
on the car only.
yes, he was on the bonnet. For a few seconds, he kept on dragging him. Then that constable fell down on the road. Thankfully, पीछे वाला बस उसके ऊपर चढ़ नहीं गई. And he was alive.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me, if a constable in uniform who has the power, who has the capacity, is just checking a driving license, and this is how the youth is behaving, you think NGO के समझाने से such kind of youth will listen?
Ma'am, they should be educated from like starting.
Exactly. They should be educated from
This
starting
education
at
should be
home.
self.
Yes, at home. So
Like
how
all
can
the
we
other
do this? How can we do this at home?
Like parents
Yes.
should initiate, na, teach them.
How can parents make equality at home? Ojasvi, very good. You're coming up with good points. Tell me, how can parents ensure this?
Ma'am, like uh, by behaving equally with a daughter and son, and giving them equal opportunities.
Okay. Do you think it is done in every Indian home?
No, ma'am.
No,
Ma'am,
not in every
No,
Indian.
ma'am.
Not in every Indian home. How many percent of Indian homes you think they're getting equality? See, when it comes to equality, I do not mean tantrums. Let us discriminate between tantrums and equality. Tantrums,
Ma'am,
no doubt, I have seen daughters
Ma'am, we
these
can
days.
say about opportunities.
Ma'am,
Yes.
equality basically means like equal power and equal opportunities for
Yes, ma'am.
education and independence.
Learning, independence, learning, and
Okay,
education.
boys,
Yes.
how many of
Equal
you?
weightage
I'm
to
asking.
opinions.
Yes.
Yes,
Let
ma'am.
me ask.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good, very good. Girls, tell me, how many of you have a foundation at home कि इतने बजे तक घर आ जाना है? I want the girls first to answer. Do you have that condition at home that beta by this time you should be back home even if you're going out?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you have. And
Yes,
what is the
ma'am.
time limit? What is the time
Ma'am.
limit?
10 p.m. Like maximum 10 p.m.
Ojasvi says by 10 o'clock at night, her parents expect her to be back home.
Ma'am,
Boys,
7:30.
Boys, what is your time limit?
8, 7, 8 or 7.
7.
Ma'am, 8
7
o'clock.
or 8.
Ma'am, I like come back
Yes,
by
ma'am.
7.
Okay.
Ma'am, till
But
8.
is there
Ma'am,
a
like
limit or you are allowed ठीक है कभी भी आ जाओ आराम से आ जाओ because your boys your sons. Is it
the
so?
door
No,
will
ma'am.
be locked.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, ma'am, they say the door will be locked, you will be out
Held outside.
if you will be
Ma'am,
late.
So I'm really happy to see that these days there is a change in the families. But earlier this trend was there. Boys, nobody is bothered. ठीक है, बाहर है, आ जाएगा. It's no issue. But for girls, we had so many restrictions. How many of you know? How many of you know how to cook, girls? Class 12th and 11th are here. How many of
I
you know how to
ma'am.
cook?
I
Like
know.
thoda.
Thoda, you know, little bit. I
Yes,
agree.
ma'am.
No.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Little bit.
Boys, how many of you know how to cook thoda?
Ma'am, I know.
Ma'am, little bit, little bit.
Ma'am, I can live
ma'am,
alone.
ma'am, Maggie, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am,
So here is the
ma'am, I know how
equality.
to make rice,
Yes,
chapati, and
ma'am, I also know how to make vegetable. And ma'am, one more thing, like you said, like you give the example of that constable one. Ma'am, tell me one thing, like for example, if the other police, मैम जो पुलिस थी, अगर वो उस मतलब इंसान को पकड़ के अगर उस पर कुछ एक्शन लेती या फिर उसे मतलब लाठी वगैरह करती, तो मैम बहुत सारे लोग उसी के अपोज हो जाते हैं कि पुलिस ने हाथ कैसे उठाया. मैम जब पुलिस
Yes, ma'am.
हाथ उठाती है मैम तब भी गलती होती है, नहीं उठाती तब भी गलती होती है. मैम इंडिया में
Yes,
ये
ma'am.
है, अगर मैम एक लॉ बनता है तो 100 लॉ उसे तोड़ने के लिए बन जाते हैं. मैम अदर कंट्रीज में देख लीजिए, मूवीज देख लीजिए, वहां पे जो FBI मतलब फेडरल ब्यूरो ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन वगैरह इतने हार्ड तरीके से मैम उन्हें मतलब टॉर्चर वगैरह करते जिससे मैम पीपल में डर बैठ जाता है कि हम क्राइम नहीं करेंगे. मैम वो इंडिया में नहीं है बिल्कुल भी.
आप बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं. 100% agreed. Whenever something comes up, opposition starts first before it is even implemented.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
hundreds
ma'am.
of
Like there are
loopholes
many
are
loopholes
made.
in the laws which
Loopholes
are
are made.
made.
Loopholes in a sense, laws are made, but at least the government is taking an initiative now, especially for this poster wala thing like they're starting with. They're asking the opinion of the youth about this. That will it actually help out? And there is a provision in that law that even the parents, if they support their boys in this, supposing he has to be arrested and they're hiding in their house or they're hiding at mama's or chacha's house, then the posters of the mama, chacha will also be put at public places. Even people who are going to give them shelter, their posters will also be put.
Ma'am, one more thing,
So,
ma'am, if there is a political, like for example, suppose a person has committed a crime, and if there is a political support with that person, then it
Behind
take
them, yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am, then it take
Yes,
years
ma'am,
to.
I agree with this
Ma'am,
point.
then,
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
because
This
whenever
this
there
point
is
is
a
too much, ma'am.
political, ma'am, whenever there is a political pressure in any case, like
Yes,
whole
ma'am.
media unites to save that person, whether he is
Yes,
guilty or
ma'am.
not.
so you mean the media
With a
supports the
political background.
ma'am, if
political
like,
Ma'am,
people?
like
ma'am, a
एक
person with a political background, this
ma'am,
saves them.
Ma'am,
ma'am,
if a person has muscle power or money, then then Indian law fails there.
yes, मैम लाइक एक पर्सन के पास पॉलिटिकल सपोर्ट और पावर है मतलब बनी तो उसके
Yes, ma'am.
मैम इयर्स लग जाते हैं उसे गलत प्रूव करने में.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
और मैम कभी कभार तो
For
केस भी
example,
क्लोज हो जाता है.
Ma'am, because
for
Yes,
there are
ma'am.
many, ma'am, because
For
whenever we
example,
see case,
any
there are
recent
many,
case,
ma'am, there are
any
number
recent.
of cases.
For example, our Indian courts, ma'am, it take time to prove that a case is wrong or right.
Ma'am, the
Huh.
Black Buck case. At last, it
Ma'am,
was proved that Black Buck committed suicide. The judgment of court was like that only.
ma'am, like it
Black
is
Buck
there,
committed
ma'am, it is
suicide.
like that.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, तारीख पे तारीख
Interesting.
तारीख पे तारीख.
That was nice. Even if we talk about Arushi case,
Yes, ma'am.
nobody's
Arushi
still,
Talwar murder case.
everybody is, yes,
And
Arushi
ma'am, at
murder case.
last, her parents were sent to jail. And
But
then
they
they
have
were
been
proved.
released. No, they are out now. The court
Yes,
has
ma'am.
even
That is what
buried
I'm
them.
saying. Huh.
So
Thank you, ma'am.
nobody killed Arushi. The
Huh.
present status is nobody killed her. see, she was murdered, there was a lot of blood, everything was there, but the present status is everybody is buried now. Nobody, first the servants were arrested, then the family was arrested, and now everybody is relieved. And now they say nobody knows who killed her, so nobody killed her. Is it justice?
Ma'am, like the final solution is that there should be
Even the
best-
fast track courts in our country are very slow.
final
So what
solution
we
is
can expect
Yes,
from
ma'am.
simple courts?
Has the report come? SIT report for Hathras case, has it come?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Imagine now. It was supposed to give its report in how many days when the committee was made?
Ma'am, but now the case has been shifted to CBI, so I think they have submitted
But
the report
SIT
directly to
inquiry,
CBI. Yes, ma'am.
yes, SIT inquiry is going
And
on
ma'am, the
parallel.
biggest thing is I don't understand how these things, how means important WhatsApp chats and everything, they come in public domain. Like
Yes,
there are
ma'am.
number of things that should
Ma'am,
be
they are
secret,
showing,
but
ma'am,
they
all the
come
things.
in public domain.
See, beta, it is again the political angle, what you are saying. When we talk about these